Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the first problem from exercise 1.4 from the real numbers chapter. So let's get started with the first problem. Question number 1. Without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So first question given is 13 by 3125. Let's go on with the solution. 13 by 3125 can be written as 13 by 5 power 5 by using the factor tree method and prime factorization. So 5 into 625 gives 3125. 625 is composite, which can be written as 5 into 125. 125 is once again composite and can be written as 5 into 25. By that, 25 is again composite and can be written as a product of 5 into 5, that is 5 square. So this gives us the prime factorization of 3125 by using the factor tree method. So 5 power 5 is the prime factorization of 3125. As the denominator can be represented as a power of prime factor, that is 5, hence 13 by 3125 has terminating decimal expansion. Moving on to the second question, 17 by 8. So for this one, we are supposed to take that 17 by 8 can be written as 17 by 2 cube. As the denominator has factors of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, this gives us that 17 by 8 can be written as terminating decimal expansion. Moving on to the third question, that is 64 by 455. So for this one, I will consider that 64 by 455 can be written as a product of 5 into 7 into 13. But once again by using the factor tree method. So by using that, 455 can be written as 5 into 7 into 13. As the denominator cannot be represented in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n belongs to natural numbers, therefore 64 by 455 has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansions. Moving on to the fourth question, that is 15 by 1600. So for this one, I'll consider 15 by 1600 to be equal to 3 by 320. By cancellation or division, you get 3 by 320. 320 can be written as 2 power 6 into 5 power 1. So 3 by 2 power 6 into 5 power 1. As the denominator has factors of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, 15 by 1600 has terminating decimal expansion. Going on with the fifth question, that is 29 by 343. 29 by 343. As you all know, 343 can be written as 7 cube, that is 29 by 7 cube is the next step. As the denominator has the factors other than 2 and 5, therefore 29 by 343 has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Moving on to the sixth question, that is 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. So for this one, I'll consider 23 by 2 cube into 5 square to be a terminating decimal expansion, since the denominator is of the form 2 power 5 into 5 power n, that is where m and n always belongs to natural numbers. Moving on to the seventh question, that is 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5. So for this one, I'm considering 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 power 5 has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion, as the denominator has factors other than 2 and 5. Moving on to the 8th question, that is 6 by 15. So 6 by 15 can be written as 2 by 5 as the denominator has factors other than 2 power m into 5 power n. Hence 6 by 15 has terminating decimal expansion. Moving on to the 9th question, that is 35 by 50. 35 by 50 can be written as 7 by 10 by cancellation, and 10 can be written as 2 into 5, that is 7 by 2 into 5, as the denominator has factors of the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Hence 35 by 50 has non-terminating, that is terminating decimal expansion. Moving on to the 10th question, that is 77 by 210. 77 by 210 can be written as 77 by 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 by again cancelling, that is with 7 ones and 7 11s, you get 11 by 2 into 3 into 5 to be the next step, as the denominators once again has factors other than 2 and 5, therefore it has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. So we have completed with the first problem. In my other videos, you will find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.